Gardening in any form is therapeutic and relaxing, not to mention a way to enjoy success as you bite into the first ripe tomato of the season. When you choose to go organic, you are choosing to protect the environment as well as your family when you grow your own food. While most of this book has been directed toward vegetable gardens, the same concepts can be applied to flower gardens. Going organic is so important to the earth as we need to preserve our natural resources and ensure we have a healthy place to live. Above all, gardening is fun and is a skill that, once acquired, can be a lifelong companion. It is not a skill that must be mastered to be enjoyed, and it is highly adaptable to diverse needs and abilities. The health benefits of organic gardening are many, but the emotional benefits are so much more. By going organic, you will know that you are doing everything you can not only for Mother Earth, but also for your family. We should all strive for the natural pleasures that we have been given. And yes, growing things in the dirt is so much fun. Happy gardening!